Most students think success needs many hours every day. They believe they must study all night, wake up early, and sacrifice everything. Because of this thinking, many students feel tired, stressed, and lazy. But today, I will tell you one simple truth. You do not need 10 hours. You do not need motivation. You do not need talent. You only need one focused hour every day. 1 hour done properly can change your life. Let me explain. Most of the day, students are distracted. Phone notifications, social media, overthinking, fear of failure. Because of this, even if they sit for 5 hours, nothing happens. But if you take one single hour and give it full focus, magic starts. This 1 hour is called deep focus time. During this hour, no phone, no messages, no multitasking. Only one important task. This hour trains your brain to focus again. At the beginning, it will feel hard. Your mind will try to escape. You will feel bored. This is normal. Focus is like a muscle. Weak muscles feel pain at first, but slowly they grow stronger. Now let me tell you how to use this 1 hour correctly. First, choose the most important task of your day. Not easy task, not fun task. The task that actually moves your life forward. For a student, this could be studying a difficult subject, practicing a skill, preparing for exams, working on a goal. Second, prepare your environment. Clean your desk, keep only what you need. Put your phone far away or silent. Third, set a timer for 60 minutes. Tell yourself, for the next 60 minutes, nothing else matters. Now, start. Do not worry about perfection. Do not worry about results. Just stay with the task. If your mind wanders, bring it back gently. After 60 minutes, stop. This is very important. Do not force more. The power is in consistency, not length. If you do this daily, your confidence increases, your focus improves, your discipline becomes strong, your results grow automatically. Many successful people use this rule. They protect 1 hour like gold. You can too. Remember, small actions done daily beat big actions done sometimes. If you are lazy, tired, or confused, start with 1 hour. 1 hour today, 1 hour tomorrow, 1 hour every day. This is day 13 of your growth. Stay consistent. Your future self is watching you.